Be willing to make the necessary sacrifices. Success is tough. It's hard. It's very simple, but it's hard. It's going to take everything you have. The good news is you have what it takes. If it's in your heart, God gave you what it takes, but it's going to take work. Winners are willing to pay the price. The first 8 years that I was luging, I missed 7 Christmases in a row away from my family. I might have been in Europe or in Canada, and I just couldn't afford to come back. But I didn't feel sorry. I just realized, hey, this is part of the dream. This is part of my way. I maxed out my credit cards. At one point, I had $50,000 in credit card debt. I broke bones. I was willing to do whatever it took to reach the dream. And so, even though I didn't like the luge, it scared me to death for 25 years, I kept at it because the luge was the vehicle that helped me reach the dream. Your business is the vehicle that'll help you reach your goals and dreams.